It's Halloween, it's 1991. I apologize for interrupting your introductory classes to the World Wide Web or the brand new episode of Saved by the Bell. I'm meteorologist Cody Matz. There is snow a-coming. There's a lot of snow coming. So prepare for the snow, prepare for the big cold. We may be talking about this for years.
Ooh, it's the blizzard every Minnesotan remembers. 30 years ago, the Twin Cities got nearly 30 inches of snow in the Halloween blizzard of 1991. Ooh, it's cold, so cold.
Oh my goodness, look at downtown.
Yes, oh my God.
But the Twins won the World Series.
Yay!
Does that help?
Grab your shovels,
right
yeah.
there.
Because we are going back to 1991 in this Halloween edition of Fox 9 Good Day.
Ooh, you okay?
I am Cole.
I'm Kelly O'Connell. I'm Shane Wells.
And I'm Alex Kendall. Oh, it is the weather event that you never forget. Snow fell from Halloween to November 3rd. We were just locked down. The snow was above people's windows. 28.4 inches total. And imagine if you were in Duluth, 37 inches of snow. We don't talk about that much here in the metro area, but
right.
And that came 2 days after the World Series parade.
So we were on a very big high and then a very big low with all of that snow. We have a very fun hour ahead of us here. We're going to talk about what we remember that day. We're also going to share what you remember about that day. And we're going to try to warm up a little bit.
Look at all that snow.
Right? I've got some hand warmers in my fanny pack.
I love your fanny pack.
Let's take a look at what's coming up today here on Fox 9 Good Day.